guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I pulled out an old palette that I have not used in ages. I didn't even remember if I liked it or not. I was kind of looking through my stuff, seeing if I had enough stuff to do a declutter video. But I really couldn't remember if I liked this palette or not. So I wanted to film right away, show you guys. And it is the Be a Mermaid and Make Waves palette by Tarte. I'm not sure when this came out, last year sometime, I think. Those are the shades. Mine, I won't be using the names in this tutorial of the shadows because this hit the ground like pretty much right after I got it. And all the shadows popped out of their little holder spaces that they're in. And I just kind of threw them back in without looking, and I don't know what names go to what anymore. And it smells kind of like chocolate. Anyways, enough about that. If you guys want to see how I created this look using this palette, then just keep on watching. Alright, so starting with my Tom Ford number 13, I'm going to take the lightest shade in the palette. Again, I'm sorry I can't use names because I don't know if they're all in the right spot or not. I will fix that one day, but today is not that day. Actually, that was a lot more pigmented than I had anticipated. I really don't remember if I like this palette or not. So, I'm hoping this will let me know. The side is not as pigmented. I went in a little heavy-handed on that first eye. So we're just gonna blend that out a bit. They're like all pretty much shiny shades. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna take this dark blue color on a MAC 217 and I'm going to put that here in my crease. And we're going to match up the other eye. Now, taking my Juvia's Place 007, I'm going to take this more greeny, teal, turquoisey kind of color here, and I'm going to start putting this in slightly above that dark blue. Now with that same brush, I'm going to go in with this, the darkest kind of berry color, and I'm going to put this in the very outer edge. I just want a little extra definition back there. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of concealer on my Juvia's Place 002 flat brush, and I'm just going to carve out my eye. Now I'm going to take this kind of shifty duochrome like shade here on that same Juvia's Place concealer brush, and I am going to apply this wet, and I'm going to put this all over the lid. I really like that shade. I'm gonna use my finger and just kind of see if I can't build it up a little more. That's a really pretty shade. I don't know if you guys can see it shift on camera, but in real life, the shift to that lid color is just stunning. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take that darkest berry shade. And I'm also going to take some of that dark blue, just using the same brush. Basically just putting this on the outer edge of that lower lash line. Now with Mr. Tom Ford and nothing on it, just going to smooth out that under eye area. Now for my brow bone highlight, I'm going to take this lightest champagne-y shade. And put that right under there. I'm also going to use that same color as my inner corner highlight, but I am going to use it wet this time. All right, I'm going to finish these eyes. All right, I'm back. Eyes are done. Just quickly throw on some mascara and a liner. I didn't even line my waterline. I just was done. If you hear noise, it's my kids running around upstairs above me. Anyways, back to this palette. I don't even remember what this was called. Be a Mermaid and Make Waves eyeshadow palette. The look I think is really pretty. They're definitely more everyday tone eyeshadows. You know, they're not bright and like in your face, hello eyeshadow. They're pretty. I think I'm gonna hold on to it for a while. I don't think I'm gonna declutter it. I really wish you guys could see the shift in that eyeshadow. I don't think the camera is gonna pick it up properly though. Anyways, before this gets to be way too long with all my rambling, I'm gonna end it here. So if you like these kinds of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified, you know you gotta hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.